So this is how I make my sugar for my porridges and my drinks. So I use dates. Okay, I use dates. So it's very sweet. So what I do is I open it up like this, and there is a seed in it. Can you see it? Yeah, so this is the seed. I take the seed out, and I'm going to dehydrate it, take the excess water out of it, then I will go ahead and blend it. It's good, high in fiber, minerals, and high in sugar content. Now I want to start eating healthy. I want to start eating healthy, so I want to stay away from sugar. Not sugar as in sugar, but then the processed sugar, the one that's readily available. Yeah. The president says that I should stop eating sugar. President Mahama. He says sugar is no good. So we are all trying to find healthier ways of eating our meals without it. So mostly I use banana when I'm eating my porridges, but I want extra taste, so I'm going to use the dates as well as the banana. Yeah, so that's what you do. You take it out. So this is it. So this is it. I try to take it out and cut through it. This is a seed, right? Yeah, so I'll do this for all of them. Then I'll let it try to see how fresh it is. It's so sweet. If you don't take care, you'll kill yourself with this. It's so sweet. I actually did that for my son. Yeah. I didn't want to feed him with the white sugar, so what I did mostly was I buy the dates, then I use it to supplement his food when he was ready for solids. Yeah, I used that, and when he advanced like 1 year, I started using honey also, and that boy is brilliant. Yeah, so you can also do that. So you take it out like this, you open it like this, right? So you have it like that.